Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to type on a path in After Effects. After starting After Effects, I add a purple image as a background of this composition. And then if we want to type on a path, we can go to Add a Text using Horizontal Type tool. I click it and click on Composition, and then we can type. For example, I type on a path. This is quite small, so we can press Ctrl A to select all the text and go to Properties window. We can change the font type and font size. If you don't find the Properties window, we can go to Window and Show Properties here. Now I go back to Properties window, and then we can change font type. For example, I change it to Arial, and we can change it from regular to bold. And we can change the size. For example, I change it to 150 pixels. Also, we can change the color and we can add stroke here. Now, if we want to make the text follow a path, make sure that we select the text layer, and then we can draw a path. Use pen tool, click it, and click on composition, click and drag to make it curve. And I add one more point. Now we can go to the text layer and open it. And open text, and we can find path options. In path, we can choose mask 1. So we can see that the text is following a path. Now we can have more options. We can reverse path. We can make the text perpendicular to path. We can force alignment. We can adjust the first margin. We can adjust the last margin. So this is how we can type on the path in After Effects. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe to this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video. Bye bye.